Hey guys, welcome to Tina Winner's channel. We making healthy smoothie with beetroot. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your loved ones. Remember, health is wealth. Let's cook. Here are the ingredients you will need.
1 apple,
3 to 5 beetroots, 1 pineapple, 1 banana to make it creamy, 1 orange. Let's get started. Peel and cut the fruits into little pieces. If you are seeing my videos for the first time, subscribe to my channel to be recognized. It is free. Just click on the red subscribe button. Thank you. If you don't like eating lots of fruit and vegetables, drinking smoothie will help you get in the vitamins, quick and easy. All ready. Now let's start the blending process. Blending all together with a cup of cold water or ice cubes. Optional, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or honey. is ready. Come and see how creamy it looks. Wow, it smells so good. For extra flavor. It tastes so yummy, guys. Definitely give it a try. See you in my next video, winners. Subscribe for more.